Welcome back to Cooking with Me. I'm me, and if you are you, then we are exactly who we should be. Today we are discussing pitiful desserts with this first installment of a new series I like to call the Keto Crackhead.
When cravings attack and you need a snack, it's time to make some keto crack.
Let's say that you are on a low carb or ketogenic diet, and despite your best efforts, from time to time you get a craving, usually for something sweet. By the way, the longer you stay on a ketogenic diet, the less cravings you have. But in the meantime, let's have some fun. What is the most pitiful, shameful, laziest dessert that you've ever had? Well, I've had a few, and I'll show you some of my favorites. First things first, you need to keep some whipped cream stocked in the fridge because that can open up lots of possibilities. Look, you just take some sweetener. I'm using Truvia. You can use stevia, monk fruit. You get one of these mixers, fill it up with some cream, and turn it on. Now while that's blending, I want to tell you something really important. You see, now I got this big old thing of whipped cream. You can just keep it in the fridge for in case you have a craving or you want dessert later, because you can put whipped cream on anything. It's like the bacon of desserts. And I want you to know that there are plenty of keto desserts that I will be showing you. They're very easy to make. In most cases, you just replace the flour and the sweetener and you're good to go. But we're not talking about those today. We are in full crackhead mode. We need a snack now. No measuring, no cooking. We want a snack. Consider the roasted pecan. It is a great salty snack. And if you want to mix it with something sweet, how about chocolate? These are my two favorite brands of chocolate chips. We have the No Better Foods. The sweetener in these is allulose. And then Lily's is also really good. The sweetener in this is stevia. This is the simplest dessert that I can think of. Roasted pecans and chocolate chips. When in doubt, add some whipped cream. In the near future, I'm going to be posting a video on how to make some really awesome keto pancakes using pecan flour. But what if you need pancakes in the next 5 seconds? Well, you can just take some roasted pecans, it'll turn to flour in your mouth, and then take my favorite syrup, the Honest Syrup maple flavor, and you just sprinkle some of that on top of the pecans. If you're hungry, you won't know the difference. Of course, the recipe I'm going to be making is cinnamon pecan pancakes. So just sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and you'll be good to go. And when in doubt, add some whipped cream. My favorite snack of all time is blackberries with whipped cream. If you want, you can add some cinnamon or maybe even some cacao powder, maybe some pecans, and when in doubt, add I've already added the whipped cream. Another go-to, strawberries and whipped cream. You know what goes good with strawberries? Chocolate powder and chocolate chips. You know what else is good? Peanut butter. Most peanut butter has sugar in it, so you want to stay away from that. At my grocery store, they have a bulk nut section, and you can grind your own peanut butter right there in the store. So you know there's nothing in there that's bad. But if you can't find that, try Justin's. There's no sugar in that one. And peanut butter tastes sweet after a while. Like after you've been on the keto diet for a while, you stop getting these cravings. If you don't eat sweets every day, stuff like peanut butter will actually taste sweet. But not sweet enough for crackhead mode. Let's try to add some chocolate chips to that. And when in doubt, add some whipped cream. Now what if you get a craving for cheesecake? Do you remember the other day when I posted that cheesecake video? It was almost 10 minutes long and that was edited down. And that was a no-bake cheesecake. Cheesecake just takes long in general. But what if I'm in crackhead mode and I need it now? Well, what is cheesecake? It's mostly just cream cheese. Oh, so you gotta add some sweetener. So technically I could just pick this up and eat it and it would be kind of like cheesecake. But if you can spare a few more seconds, allow me to show you a better way. It'll be a lot better if you can add 2/3 of a cup of cream. If you have like 2 more seconds, you can add a dash of lemon juice, a dash of vanilla extract, and then blend it with a mixer. All right, that looks a lot more like cheesecake. Okay, so you can eat it like that, but if you have a few more seconds, you can make a crust. All you do is take some melted butter and scoop in some pecan flour. Put a little bit of sweetener in your crust. You'll thank me later. Actually, I'm gonna put it in a plate so you can see it better. There you go, that's your crust. And if you have a spare 10 minutes, you can let it chill in the fridge to harden up a little bit. But if you're watching this video, we all know that you don't have a spare 10 minutes. So let's just put the cheesecake right on there. And when in doubt, add some whipped cream. Well, that's all for this installment of the Keto Crackhead. Thanks for watching Cooking with Me. I'm me, and I hope that you've been you. Till next time. Oh, wow!
When cravings attack and you need a snack, it's time to make some Keto Crack. Cooking with me. Cooking with me. Doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.